Hey everyone, this is Fai. Today I'm going to do East Asian trend makeup transformation. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and now let's get started. I will start by applying the base makeup first and covering any blemishes on my face. Now, let's start with the Japanese makeup first. For the eyebrows, Japanese look tend to have thin eyebrows with light brown to blonde color. And then for the contour, I'm just going to apply this shading onto the side of my nose to make it look more dimensional. And also a little bit around the side of my face. And then for the eyeshadows, the trend color is peach or coral color. I'm just gonna apply it a little bit to make it less vibrant. Next, for the eyeliner, I'm going to use a brown eyeliner. The trend is a round puppy eye look, so I'm going to draw the tail downwards. And then I'm going to draw a fake long lashes by using a light brown pen liner. For the mascara, I'm going to focus more onto the middle part on both upper and lower lashes to make the eyes look rounder. And then for the blusher, I'm going to apply a light pink blusher onto the apple of my cheeks just right beneath my eyes. For the highlighter, I'm just gonna apply it onto the bridge of my nose. For the lips, I'm gonna create a glossy pale pink lips. And here it is, the Japanese look. Now, let's do the Korean trend makeup, which is my favorite. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna create a natural straight eyebrows. For the contour, I'm focusing more onto my jawline and apply more shading around that area to create the slim feline face illusion. For the eyes, the trend color is peach to pink color with some glitters, and this time I choose to use the pink shade. And then to make my eyes look small and longer, I'm going to apply dark brown eyeshadow onto the other V. And this is the main point of Korean look. I'm going to create the Eglips. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use a light brown pen liner and draw the tail a little bit longer than my real eyeline. I'm not gonna apply mascara onto my lower lashes because I want to make my eyes look smaller. And then for the blusher, I'm going to apply a dusty pink blusher around my cheekbones, just around the other corner of my eyes. And then for the highlighter, I'm going to apply it onto the bridge of my nose and also my cheekbones to create the glowy look effect. And then for the lips, I'm going to create a matte soft gradation dark pink lips. And here it is, the Korean look. Now, it's time for the Chinese trend makeup look. Chinese trend makeup has a natural hairy dark eyebrow look. So I'm going to make my eyebrows a little bit curved and darker. And for the contour, I'm going to create that on the center of my face and also try to make my face look slimmer by applying shading powder onto the side of my face. For the eye makeup, I'm going to apply gold eyeshadow. I'm going to apply brown eyeshadow to create deeper eye effect around the eyes. The point of the Chinese eye makeup is a fierce look. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to use a black pen liner and draw the tail upwards and make a fox eye. Next, I'm going to apply mascara onto my upper and lower lashes, and I will apply more onto the bottom lashes to create more volume. For the blush, I'm gonna apply a little bit of wing blusher diagonally on my cheek. And then I'm going to apply more highlighter onto the tip of my nose to create higher nose illusion. And not to forget to apply a lot of highlighter onto the cheekbones. Last for the lips, Chinese likes to wear red lipstick. So I'm going to create a velvet red lips and show the cupid bow more. And here it is, the Chinese look. So that's it for this makeup video. Which one is your favorite? Please let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep this channel going. Thank you for watching.